Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. So you need to open WhatsApp first, and here you can see this is the Meta AI, but there is no option to remove that from here. So you need to go back and you need to open the Play Store and search here WhatsApp. So click on that and you need to uninstall your WhatsApp from here. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open any browser, and here you need to search for WhatsApp old version, and here you can see different websites, so you can use any website to download the old version of WhatsApp, and you need to log in into that version. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.